This application here like a pro. So make sure you watch the full video. Stay tuned. Much the home screen of the application. A lot of drama series which you can watch on this application here. You have the popular section, you have the new release section, you have the trending ones, which pretty much everyone's watching on this application. You have the category section which you can choose as it relates to if you want a romance one, if you want revenge, if you want betrayal, it's all here. So that's pretty much it for that there. And you have the original one in the application series, and you have other section here as well which you can scroll across. And you can also tap on the search icon here to search for what you want, and you will also see the trending ones as well as what people are watching. So the For You section is a feature. I won't be able to show you or navigate through these series or select any one of these series because you're gonna blur it out. So yeah, it's just very easy to use. Once you've selected any one of these series, we'll just show you a few stuffs, and you can tap on the list section. And once you tap on the list section there, you pretty much get the option to see all of these episodes that it has. And from there, you pretty much get to go as it relates to this application here. So the profile option here, it do show you the subscription page as well. Can check over here, and also down here will show you the series that you have watched on this application in the play history section. So down here you may see earn rewards, and also the my download section is pretty much where all the episodes will go once you have downloaded them. So the earn reward section here, as you can see, this is pretty much where you can go to get free coins as well to purchase episode. So you can either check in or pretty much use the application daily to get free coins. You can watch ads and get free coins. You can just do some simple tasks, as you can see, or follow them on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and so forth to get free coins or tickets which they have offer here. So as you can see here, a lot of different things you can do to get coins or tickets to pretty much purchase one of their episodes or unlock one of their episodes. So that's really pretty much for this application here. Nothing much, very easy to use, and a great application as it relates to drama series. So if I missed anything at all, please comment below, and I'd love to see you in the next one. Stay tuned.